If you're planning to start a WordPress website, whether that's a blog, business site, or online store, choosing the right hosting is the difference between a fast, secure website and one that's slow, crashes, or gets hacked. In this video, I'm breaking down the best web hosting providers for WordPress and helping you pick the right one based on your needs and budget. And real quick, I've added all of the discount links and any coupon codes below so you get the lowest pricing available. A little disclosure, the links are affiliate links, may not receive a commission from the web hosting companies at no extra cost to you. Plus you get web hosting discounts. Before we dive into the list, here's what matters when choosing WordPress hosting. Speed and performance. Your hosting server should be optimized for WordPress, security, SSL, backups, malware protection and firewalls, ease of use, one-click installs, staging tools, and dashboards that aren't confusing, support 24/7 expert support for WordPress issues, value for money, you want the features you need without overpaying. Alright, let's jump into the top 5 WordPress hosting providers. First up is Hostinger, which is the best option for most people. If you want the best overall mix of value, performance, and price, Hostinger is the winner. Why Hostinger is great? Super fast WordPress performance with LiteSpeed caching, easy to use control panel, free SSL, automated backups and emails, 24/7 support, really affordable pricing, especially long term. Best for beginners, bloggers, small businesses, and anyone who wants great speed without spending a lot. Next is SiteGround, which is the best option for support and reliability. If having great support matters to you, or you want premium performance, SiteGround is a fantastic pick. Top features: extremely fast site performance, cloud powered, amazing customer support, built-in caching, CDN and security tools, great for WordPress and WooCommerce stores, best for businesses, e-commerce, and anyone who wants premium security and support. Now let's talk about Bluehost, a very beginner-friendly WordPress host. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org, and it's a great choice if you want something simple and beginner-friendly. What you get: one-click WordPress install, free domain name for the first year, free SSL and email, really easy setup wizard, great option for first-time website owners, best for first-time users building a simple website, blog, e-commerce store, or portfolio. Next is DreamHost, a great all-around hosting provider, especially for beginners and anyone on a budget. They also offer managed WordPress hosting plans if you want something faster and more hands-off. Why DreamHost is solid. Affordable hosting plans that work well for budgets and small to medium websites. Their plans include SSD storage, caching, free domain for the first year, SSL, and unmetered bandwidth. Simple setup with one-click WordPress installation and a user-friendly control panel. Plus with the free domain, free SSL, and money-back guarantee, it's a low-risk option for new site owners. What to keep in mind: DreamHost shared plans are great for beginners, and as your site grows, you can upgrade to their managed WordPress hosting for more speed and features. Best for bloggers, small businesses, e-commerce sites, portfolios, or anyone starting out, especially on a tighter budget. And if you want premium managed WordPress hosting, WP Engine is the top choice. If you want serious power and don't want to manage anything technical, WP Engine is the top managed WordPress host. Features include extremely fast managed hosting, built-in staging, backups, caching, and security, premium themes included, ideal for high traffic or professional websites, best for agencies, online businesses, or anyone scaling traffic and revenue. Now here's a quick breakdown to help you pick the right hosting provider. Hostinger, best for most people, fast and affordable. SiteGround, best for businesses and e-commerce, great support and strong security. Bluehost, best for beginners, easy setup and comes with a free domain. DreamHost, best for budget conscious or first-time site owners, affordable and solid all-around hosting. WP Engine, best for high traffic or professional sites, fully managed performance and power. At the end of the day, the best host depends on your budget and goals. If you want the best balance of price and performance, go with Hostinger. If you want premium features and support, SiteGround is fantastic. If you want something super beginner friendly, choose Bluehost or DreamHost. And if you want the best managed WordPress hosting for growth, WP Engine is unbeatable. I put all the discount links below so you can get the best pricing on your web hosting purchase. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your WordPress website.